Hey everybody, welcome to my channel. This is Scarlet with Scarlet's Little Crafty Corner, and today I have got an unbagging from ArtBusy. Now this is how they come in these plastic bags. Alright, and then here's their box. It's always just a plain black box, although I did get a plain white box one time. Now, with ArtBusy, it is worldwide free shipping. I do have a code that you can use, and you can get 10% off your purchase. And this is what I got. Now, this is a 40 by 60 round. It does have some ABs. It has... oh, it's got some fairy dust too. Okay, so we have got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 ABs and fairy dust. So this one is called Fairy Garden. There are 45 colors. So you've got a thumbnail and schematic on both sides, top right, bottom left. It is a very nice velvety canvas, and the edges are scalloped. And they do have their logo right here up at the top, ArtBusy. Now, with ArtBusy, what I like about them is you can choose your own size. You can choose whether you want square drills or round drills. I have not ever tried their square drills. Now the square drills are a little bit more expensive than the round drills, but not by, not by a whole lot, but you are going to pay a little bit more. You can choose whether or not you want, well, I don't know if you can still choose ABs or fairy, or if it just both of them come. I don't know. They've done a little bit of changing. So what I do like also is that you do get a paper with it, and it has your DMCs and your weight. And if you had one of them sticker things, iron machines, you can run that through and make your own stickers. I personally, when they're in bags like this, I usually just draw the symbols. So let's look at these ABs. So there's 5200 AB, and you can see that they do list, this is number 45 on your chart. This weighs 3.9, and then you can see it's got the DMC on there. So yeah. So here is another. This is a fairy dust. I guess this is fairy dust too, but I just can't really see anything on that one unless that is a mislabel. But anyway, there's the fairy dust. Here is another fairy dust. Then we have an AB. We have another fairy dust. It's on there. You just can't hardly see it. Because anything that has the XC at the end is fairy dust. And, of course, AB is Aurora Borealis. So there's a fairy dust. And then these are just regular. I thought I seen some more. Oh, I did. Okay, they've got them in order is what it is. Alright, there's an AB. These are ABs. Is that it? And then they're regular drills. I mean, I've never had an issue with any of their drills. Very pretty blue. So, I think that might be all. Because I don't remember now what I said as far as how many there were. Look at that pink. That is really pretty. Yeah, this is going to be very cute. Get these back in here. So it's pretty much there. It's just the ABs and the fairy dust are just going to be everywhere within the canvas. Now, also with ArtBusy, they do have in-house artists. They do use some AI, but if you don't like that kind of thing, you can skip over it and go to the section where it has the artists listed, and you can look at all of their canvases. Let me get that. But I just really like this one. I love the colors, and I love anything that's whimsical. So yeah. I think this is a newer canvas, newer image on their site. Because if you sign up for their emails, they send you an email a couple times a week. And it will tell you, you know, it'll show you some of the new products that's just come in. So, and it is very clear if it will focus. So, but I really like the canvas image. And I like the mix of, you know, there's fruit in here, and it's just cute. It's just adorable. So, alright, well, that's what I have for ArtBusy. Oh, I'm sorry. And it comes with a toolkit. You get a white tray with a spout. You get your wax, a pair of metal tweezers, a single placer with, it looks like a 2 or 3 placer with it. So yeah. Anyway, check out ArtBusy. You can use my discount and get 10% off your purchase. And like I said, it is worldwide free shipping. So whatever you pay for the canvas is the canvas and tax, and that's it. They don't charge for shipping. So, alright, well, I hope you enjoyed this video, and until my next one, I will see you guys later. Bye, y'all.